So let's move to the web.php file. And we have here the route. So let's change this one. So it will take us to the posts controller. And we need, so let's change this one. So here we need to add class. And the method is index. And let's name it, let's give it name, which is home. So let's add next one. So the next one will be for fetching category or a given category posts. So let's add here category and posts, and we will use, so let's move to the controller. So the function is post or posts by category. So this one, and let's give it name category dot posts. Let's move the name down so it will be clear for you. So the next one will be for getting a given tag posts, and the function is posts by tag. So let's put it here, and here tag dot posts. And next what we have the change or the route to change language. So let's add it here. So you can here add comments, so posts routes, and here settings routes. So here we will change the language. So let's add here change and lang, and here we can add lang, and it will take us to setting controller. And don't forget to import controllers. So this one setting controller, and function is toggle lang. So let's bring it and use it here, and we can name this one to change lang. And what else we have? I think that's all. So for the registration and login, we will use Fortify, so the routes will be added automatically. And next, we need to move to the API routes. And here, as you can see, we don't have the API.php file, so we need to install the API routes in Laravel 11. And to do that, we can run the command php artisan install API. So let's hit enter and wait until it's done. Then we will continue. And once done, you will get this message. You can do it. You can type yes or no, because we will not use the access token or the sanctum to log in the users. And also you can add the has API token inside the model or not, because we will not use we will use Fortify to register and log in user, not the sanctum. So you can either use yes or no. And here also you can use the has API token inside the user model or not. So now we have the API route. So let's add first one. So let's bring from here. So let's bring this one, and we can use the first one. The first one will be for adding a command. So let's add here add commands, and we will use the commands controller. And let's move to the commands controller. So not this one. So here the function is star. So this one, let's use it here. And don't forget to import the controller here. And here we don't need name, so let's remove it. And also we need another one for getting post commands. So here we will have the commands, and we need post ID, and we can change it to get post ID commands. And let's bring the name of the function, which is get post commands. Let's bring it and use it here. And we need another one for search. And search we can use only here search, because this route will be, so this one will be post, and this one will be so search will be also post, and this one will be gets. And here we can use the function which is not star but the get post command. So this one, so we are using post requests because here, so where is it, where is the search? So not here, but search is inside the post controller. So here post by term, so we are using the post requests because here we will send search term. That's why we use here post. And the function is posts by term, and let's use the controller which is post controller. And don't forget to import it also here and here. So now we are done. So here we have the post, get, and post. Let's check here also. So here we have get, and get, and I think all the, let's check here. So here I think all the requests are get. Let's check the setting, and here also is get. So everything is done correctly. If we have any error, we will fix it later. So now we are done with the routes. Let's move to the resource and add the home. So we need the home view. So let's do that now.